Namaste, yogis. I want to speak to you today about a fundamental piece of our practice, the chanting of the mantra Om. And many of you are probably familiar with this mantra, at least in the sense that you may have heard it before or experienced it in a yoga class, and may have wondered what on earth it means. I know often we get little short explanations, one of the most popular being Om is the sound of existence, or Om is the sound of everything. Well, this sounds very poetic and lovely, but what does it actually mean? So let's take a moment today and really break it down. When we say that Om is the sound of everything, or the sound of existence, what are we talking about? So existence in yogic philosophy is categorized by Trisatya, or described, I should say, as Trisatya. Tri meaning three, and Satya meaning truthfulness. And you may be familiar with Satya, it's one of the yamas, truthfulness. So Trisatya, the three truths of existence. What are these three truths? Well, the first being creation, second, preservation, and the third being destruction. Or another way to look at this could be birth, life, and death. The three truths of existence, Trisatya. So Om, the syllable Om, is said to be the sound of existence, the sound of Trisatya. If you notice, the syllable Om, or the mantra Om, is chanted in 3 syllables, each syllable having representation of one of these satyas, one of the Trisatyas. So A, symbolizing creation, U, symbolizing life or preservation, and finally symbolizing destruction or death. So as we chant the mantra, giving time and space to all 3 syllables of this mantra. Hopefully, this gives you a little more depth of understanding as to what we're chanting when we are chanting this mantra. There's much more to dive into and talk about here, so check out our other videos regarding Om. We'll talk about the symbolism of the written symbol Om, and also how to chant this mantra in a way that really stimulates our pranic flow. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Try this out in your practice the next time you chant, and maybe with this new awareness, you'll feel another effect of the mantra. Namaste.